Okay, so 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 are all pretty much the same, and they're all fairly simple. So I combine it all into one, and I also wrote everything out already because just writing all this stuff just takes a long time for something that's very simple to explain. So what this question is asking, or what these questions are asking, is for each of these things, so a coin, a single die, and then two dice, um, list these things. So the different possible results and the probabilities that you get each of the results, and then draw a histogram of that. So starting with the coin, what are the possibilities of results for a coin? Well, it could be heads or tails. Those are the only possibilities. The probabilities that you get either one is 1/2. You have 50% chance you get heads. I wrote heads twice. And 50% chance you would get tails. So it's half and half. For the single die, the possibles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And each of them you have 1/6 chance to get. So you have 1 in 6 chance to get a 2 or a 5. The two dice, now that question was a little bit vague. This is 1.9. It was a little bit vague. It didn't specify whether it wanted the probabilities for each combination or for each numerical result. Because you have something like 7, for example. 7, the numerical result of 7 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different combinations to make 7. So each of these 6 possibilities would have 1/32 chance. So there's 36 of these in total. So each of these combinations, there would be 1 in 36 chance of getting each of them. But if you're talking about numerical, then you would add them together. So because there's 2 different combinations to make 3, you have 2 30-seconds chance of getting a 3, because there's 1 in 32nd chance of getting 1 and a 2, and there's another 1 in 36. Did I say 32nd? I meant 36. There's 1 in 36 chance of getting a 1 and a 2, and 1 in 36 chance of getting a 2 and a 1. So to add those together, and you have 1 in 18. And with 4, you have 1 in 12. 5, you have 1 in 9. So you have the highest chance of getting a 7. That's 1 in 6. Where to get snake eyes or double sixes, there's only 1/36 chance. There's only one combination for each of those. And then the histograms. So here for heads and tails, they're both around 1/2. I know my drawings aren't perfect, but and then the second one for the single die, you all have 1/6 chance for all of them. So they're all just going to be flat. They all have an equal chance. For the two dice, again, assuming that they're talking about the numerical result, you're going to have this probability curve where 7 is going to be the highest probability. Again, we see that here with the 1/6. And this would be here. This would be 1/6. Not really the scale, but you get the idea. And the other ones would be lower. So the 2 and the 12 would be the lowest, and then it would kind of grow up to that 7 and then come back down. So anyways, that's 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, and 1.9.